So let's see, how does Hepacil DTX work? It helps balancing the support for phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification reactions happening in your liver by transforming the harmful substances into more simpler ones and ensuring that liver eliminates it. And this additional balancing approach helps the liver handling daily challenges more effectively. By taking 2 tablets in a day after your food ensures that your liver gets those extra nutrients it needs to function optimally. And always remember, Hepacil DTX is not a temporary cleanse, it's a daily support for your liver health. Gift your liver the best friend it needs with Hepacil DTX from USANA. And this is completely safe, 100% transparent and backed by science. Feel free to reach out for any concerns, and if you are allergic or pregnant or nursing moms, please consult your doctor before the use. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more such videos on our social media and click below on the link to order your Hepacil today. Stay healthy, stay safe.